Well, everyone, Andy Surowicz here with Altaro Software, coming to you from Microsoft Ignite in sunny Orlando, Florida. Now, if you've watched any of our webinars, you might recognize the guy standing next to me. I've got Bertram here. How's it going, Adam?
Hello, I'm doing pretty good, Andy.
Hey, thanks for taking the time to talk to us today.
Sure.
So, I know you're a big PowerShell guy, and you get into DevOps quite a bit. And DevOps is a word that's been thrown around here at the conference all week. Mm-hmm. And for our viewers, I kind of wanted to have you come on and tell us what DevOps is. For the people that aren't familiar with the term, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
That's a tough question. People are still asking to this day, what is DevOps? Well, in a roundabout way, a lot of people have a different definition of what DevOps is because it's such a kind of fluffy, kind of cushy, soft topic. But in general, what it is just about being able to develop a culture around bringing teams together, development and operations, and a lot of the other teams together to provide quicker value and more value to the business. It's about bringing the teams together so that the developers aren't working on in their little silo, doing their little thing, and then throwing it over the wall to operations. Say, here, take care of it. Nowadays, with DevOps, developers are more involved in the process with operations. A lot of companies now put developers on support, on call. They have the pager along with them now. Not only do operations now have, but development is on board now to prevent the, oh my God, this application's down and the on-call ops person is called, and they get on the laptop and say, like, I have no idea what this application does. So it prevents that from happening for the most part.
Gotcha. Okay, so if people they're interested in DevOps, they want to learn more about it. The next question that always happens is why? Why should I be interested in DevOps? Other than what you've mentioned, what are some more of the benefits to DevOps?
Well, DevOps, it's slowly starting to get more traction now. It's been around for probably in the mainstream for probably 5 to 6 years. I can't remember when Martin Fowler did that talk that he did. But yeah, for the most part, it's getting slow traction because it's such a transformative shift from the traditional way of running dev shops and IT. The big benefit of it's you get quicker deployments, you get quicker value to the business. At the end of the day, it's all about giving business value faster. So before there was the waterfall effect. Agile is another methodology that really goes hand in hand with DevOps and also automation. So previously with the waterfall effect and doing manual deployments, the devs would do their thing. They would make this thing nice and pretty. And then they would, send it over to, a release management team or ops or something, and op would right-click publish, and it would be done, and then they would go on the support road. Nowadays, it's kind of more of a fluid process between code and deployment. We have this, we have concepts of the build and release pipeline, which go from the dev writes the code, the commit gets submitted, then that automatically kicks off the build, which then automatically performs all the tests and things like that you need. And then after that, a lot of innovative companies are just going the extra mile and doing continuous delivery and just delivering the application directly to production, reducing deployment time down from maybe once a year to once every few months to some companies even hundreds of deployments a day directly to production. So it really reduces that time from when a developer writes a new piece of code, a new feature, directly into production.
Gotcha. So it sounds like it's really all about speed and efficiency, really. Mm-hmm. Gotcha. Well, hey, Adam, one other question that I wanted to ask, I've been wrapping up all my interviews this week with, is just kind of a fun question. What is your favorite technology that's available today? I've had some people tell me Netflix, some people tell me Tesla. Again, just kind of a fun question. What's your favorite technology that's available today?
Well, I am all into automation. I mean, my blog is adamtheautomator.com, so I love automation. I love increasing efficiencies in all areas of life. Right now, my focus is PowerShell and scripting and DevOps, but on the physical side, the autonomous vehicles with Tesla started, Ford and GM, they're all the car manufacturers are now saying we will have autonomous vehicles on the road in the very, very near future. Within the next 5 years or something. They're already out there. The governments are starting to allow that to happen, and that whole movement is really, really cool. But autonomous vehicles, definitely the most coolest thing I know of, because it's not only going to reduce human error on the road, it's going to reduce a lot of deaths. We're not going to have as many wrecks, but I really like that point to where humans are like, no, I don't trust it. I don't trust the automation, and I've been dealing with that forever. Versus what I know personally, if we can just get over that hump of trusting the automation and trusting, in a sense, our lives with computers, in the end, we're not going to deal with tired semi-truck drivers that are falling asleep at the wheel. We don't have to deal with people texting their phones and all that sort of thing. So yeah, autonomous vehicles, that's the coolest tech I know.
Well, yeah, that's some really cool stuff, and exciting to see, like you said, all the enhancements and stuff that they've got coming in regards to that technology. Well, hey, Adam, thanks for taking the time to talk to us today. Really appreciate your insight. So thanks for being on the show here. Sure. And everyone, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Ignite-related content on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.